Hi and welcome to my 2-minute tips for the best life. I'm Coach Marta. Topic for today is choose being happy instead of clinging to being right. Because you can't have both. I am right might bring comfort, but not true happiness, because it implies that someone else is wrong. Deep inside, you're not really aiming to be right, you are trying to make someone else wrong. That does not help relationships grow. You can still have a point of view without a burning need to defend it. Life is paradoxical by nature, and the ability to hold two opposing opinions is what happy people are made of. I challenge you today, give up being right. Go cold turkey and don't do it for others, do it for yourself. By giving up the need to be right, you will gain an enormous amount of energy. So, how do you give up being right? Step 1, notice the burning need to be right. It's usually accompanied by a physical sensation and some urgency. Also, notice how you prop your rightness, your righteousness on external stuff, such as if I allow this person to have this opinion, children will die in Africa. Step 2, let go of this burning need. Let it go. Just let it go. Step 3, focus on the 10%, the smallest thing you can think of that you have in common, and blow it out of proportion. Find common ground and grow it. And then just repeat. It's simple, but it's not easy to do. Don't let discouragement creep in. When you fall off the horse, get back on it. It's a lifelong practice, and just like any journey, it begins with a single step. Thanks for watching, and if you would like some help giving up the need to be right, schedule a free consultation. Life change requires work, and this work is a lot more fun when you do it with a life coach. If you find my tips useful, subscribe to my channel and share it with people that might benefit. And above all, give up the need to be right, choose to be happy, and I'll see you in the next video.